Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today we are going to be making some treats for Lucy, and I thought I would share this with you. I'm not sure about your dogs, but our dog loves tuna, salmon, any kind of fish you can get. And I had some leftover rice from dinner last night, and I thought I could easily make this dish for Lucy. And this is something a human could eat as well. But anyway, I just thought I would share with you what I do sometimes for dog treats. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rice. This is 1 cup of rice, and I'm going to put it in the bowl here. And then I'm going to do another ½ a cup to start with. We may need an additional ½ a cup. Whoops. But I usually don't measure a lot of stuff out, so I cook a lot by sight. And so we'll just see how it goes here. So, and of course I messed up, but that's okay. So the next thing is I have 2 cans of tuna. One's in olive oil and the other one is in water. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty these with the water and the olive oil and everything right in here. And there's not a lot of olive oil in this one. This particular brand is primarily tuna. And it does have some olive oil, but not near as much as some of them that you purchase. There we go. So and also I put in 2 beaten eggs, and I went ahead and beat these up. And I'm just pour those in. I'm just going to use my fork here to kind of break up that tuna that was in the olive oil, because it comes in like a big couple of pieces, and so I just lightly break it up so you can see what I'm doing here. This is just such an easy recipe, and Lucy knows what we're doing, don't you, baby? She loves this kind of stuff.
She likes any kind of food.
The one thing you don't want to do is to add any onion to this at all. Onions are not really healthy for dogs. So, but the egg and the rice and the fish is perfect for them. Then what I do is I take my whole milk and I pour some in the can that the tuna was in. I just pour it in there. I do the same thing with the one that had the olive oil in it.
So about ½ a can there?
Mm-hmm. Yep, so it'll be a total of 1 can, and we'll see how it looks. We may want to put more in. And also, just a tip, you guys may already do this, but when I open up a can of this, like if I'm going to make tuna sandwiches or tuna noodle casserole, I rinse out the can and I use the water that I rinsed it out in and give it to the dog. And Lucy loves that. So I think I need a little bit more rice. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. There we go. And what I did is I sprayed my pan here with just some Pam, the butter Pam. Yeah, you know, don't you, baby? And that's all there is to it. So now I'm going to put it in here. Whoops.
Better give her a forkful before she goes crazy.
Oh, she's going to wait. So see, you can see there's some pieces that are kind of big in there, and that's okay. That'll be a special little treat for her. And this keeps in the refrigerator for, several days. And you just cut it into the bite-sized pieces you want for a treat. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about a half an hour, and I'll see you back in just a little bit. Well, I just took this out of the oven, and need to tell you, it took about 37 minutes instead of the 30 at 350 degrees. And I think the reason why is because my milk and my rice were cold. And I usually have that kind of stuff at room temperature, but I wanted to just go ahead and do this. So anyway, we're going to let this cool, and then Lucy will be our taste tester for it. See you in a while. Well, our treats for Lucy are all done, and they're nice and cool. And this dog, Lucy, has been waiting so patiently. And can you tell that she knows that these are for her? She's been very patient, but very attentive of everything I've been doing. So anyway, and she's very gentle. There you go, baby. Oops.
Yes, she likes it.
Yeah, she loves these. So anyway, these keep very well for a few days in the refrigerator, or you can freeze them. And I'll probably be freezing at least half of these to last, over the holidays. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, if you would please like and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. And give me a comment and let me know if they worked out for you. Talk to you later. Bye.